What's up, peoples? It's Hey here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a vlog. I've never vlogged before, so I'm very excited. Anyways, we're gonna be going to the store and going and having a little picnic. So yeah, let's go. All right, here we go. I gotta throw something away. Yuck, yuck. Here we go. You excited, Kelsey?
So Joann Fabrics first.
Off we go.
This good?
Here we go. Kelsey, say wee.
Whee!
Say wee. Now, okay. Say bye-bye, house.
We'll be back.
Say bye-bye, house. Meow. Kelsey. Rawr. OMG, we're here! OMG! Just got out of Joann. Now we're off to Jewel. We're going to Jewel, Kelsey. And then we're gonna go get some Subway and have a little picnic. Can you blow kisses? No. Well then. Wow. Can you say wow?
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Yay! We're at Jewel. Where are we going next, Kelsey?
Subway.
Where are we going, Kelsey? You don't know? Are we going to Subway? You don't know? Well then, I just told you it's Subway, so you should know. Oh, you know. Okay, we're going to Subway. Yay! Yay! Subway! How was that Subway, Kelsey? A good? Good. 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 Alrighty guys, well that is the end of our vlog, that is the end of our day. Now we're just gonna kick back, relax, and Kelsey's gonna go take a nap. Thanks for watching, I'll see y'all later. Bye bye. Also expect some challenge videos coming maybe this weekend. Alright, bye bye. Peace. Love and happiness.